Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we learn how to create a project in Laravel. First we need to adjust the setup. First we will download and install Visual Studio Code. To install Visual Studio Code, find the link in the description. Now we will see the Laravel website. Laravel is a PHP framework used by a very well-known global company. Now we will install Git, which we will have to use as a terminal instead of command prompt. There are three parts to Git: Git Bash, Git GUI, and Git CMD. We will use Git Bash. We also need to install the XAMPP server. Install the latest version of PHP. We will also need to install Composer. Now we will open Visual Studio Code. We will create a folder to save the projects. Open the terminal, Git Bash terminal. Now we will create the Laravel project. It will take a few minutes until it is created. Now the project is created. Here are the project files that were created. The PHP artisan serve command enables us to start the server to display the project on the web. Click on the link and the project will open in the browser. Hope you understand how to install Laravel. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.